Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us simplify this sodic expression. Please, if you are new to my channel, like, share so that will help this page get a wider audience. And thank you as you do so. Alright, let's get started. Now here we have the square root of 50 plus 10 all over the square root of 2. Now first of all, whenever you see a question, especially in sodic form like this or radical form like this, the first thing you need to do is to rationalize. So, and what does rationalization mean? Rationalization means taking the radical which is in the denominator, multiplying it by both the numerator and the denominator, and that will help eradicate the radical from the denominator. So here we have the root of 50, then plus 10 all over the root of 2, then we have to rationalize here, root 2 all over root 2. Now be careful not to multiply this by this, that should be only this. So here we have root 50, then plus 10 root 2, then all over 2. Okay, so with this now, we have root 50, then equals 5 root 2. Okay, and that should be, this eliminates this. So we have two options. It's either we take this 5 which acts as a multiplier with the radical into the radical, or we simplify 50. Okay, so what we all need to do here now is let's just simplify this. Okay, so by simplifying, we have this something as saying 25 times 2. Okay, then plus 5 raised to times root 2. So to this end now, you can actually split this. So this 25 here, the square root of 25 will become what? 5. So it now acts as a multiplier to the square root of what? 2, then 10 the square. So that would be 5, plus 5 root 2. And when we sum up, and this is what we are summing up is because it has the same radical term. Okay, so that will give us what? 10 root 2 as the final answer. Thank you and remember less. Bye bye.